They build the cars that are so good. Wheel, motor, and hood. Who brings the parts? It's Leo. Leo the truck. Leo. Leo the truck.
Leo and Scoop are digging a pit for a large foundation.
Careful. I'm going to toss out some rocks.
Robots, move away from the edge.
Excavator Scoop needs to pull all the rocks out of the pit.
Alley-oop.
Look how strong he is. This stone is very big and heavy.
It won't come out. I know. I can do it.
Time for a snack?
Leia, Leo, and Scoop went for lunch to recharge their energy. What are the robots doing? Are they trying to remove the rock? If you push it this way, the rock won't move at all. Do you have something in mind, Red Robot? A lever. That's a great idea. It's still not working. Even the weight of 2 robots is not enough.